Sige. So, di ba since nakuha mo ate na answer it's 0, automatically, 532 is divisible by 4. Next, letter B. Try ate, di ba this is 859? No ate, tingnan mo, 859. So, sino yung i-check mo dito? This one ate, this one muna. If it is odd, gani ate, automatically it's not divisible by 4 ha? Okay ha? If it is odd, automatically it is not divisible by 4. Okay, next. This one ate, 490. Oh, go, get iced tea. Sige, diba? Opo lang. Okay lang. Sige. Thank you so much, ate. Come here, sit down. Sige. So, next naman nito, ate, is 490. Try to check to, ate, if 490 is divisible by 4. So, sino yung i-check mo, ate? Si 4, si 9, si 0. Sino yung i-check mo dyan? Si? 90 lang. Okay? Sige. Try to check, ate, if 90 is divisible by 4. Okay. Tingnan mo.
My handwriting was so big when the X was here because
He wants to see?
when the X is here, the life will be more fun.
More life, more fun?
Yeah, like that's why the number big like this.
Sige. Oh, 90 divided by 4.
9 divided by 4, 8, 12.
Okay. Na? 9 divided by 4, 12? Sure ka?
4, 8, 12, 16.
Oh, ate, di ba 9 divided by 4? You should not exceed sa 9.
Ano? Because when I was keep count na 4, 8, 12, it was 12 and 9 is not here anymore. And 9 was not mentioned. And then I thought you want to skip count.
No, ate, not skip count by 4.
Here.
Sige, ulit. 9 divided by 4, how much?
4, 8, 12,
2.
Yeah.
Okay, very
I was
good.
about to write 2.
Very good.
But what happened?
Sige, go. 12. Times 4. Okay.
9.
Okay. Next, 10 divided by 4.
2 again because
Okay, very good.
9 is 10.
10 minus 8. Sige. 0. 1. Okay. Okay. O, di ba? There's a remainder.
Yeah.
Oh, so is it divisible by 4? Hindi.
Yes. 22 is divisible.
No, ate. You have remainder, man. If you have remainder, di ba automatically it's not divisible by 4?
Oh.
Gets?
Yes.
If the 0 ang nakuha mo, it's divisible by 4.
But if numbers with a remainder is, if I get a remainder,
It's not divisible by 4.
Divisible.
Okay, next. Letter D.
Why is that?
Sige lang, letter D. Try to check ate, letter D. 380. Start. Okay. Start. Sino lang i-check mo sa 380?
80.
Oh, very good. Oh, 80 divided by 4.
8.
Okay.
Now I never forget that I have that I write minus. I'll just read. Oh, 20.
Okay, 20. So,
It's divided by 4 because there is no remainder.
yes, very good ate. Next, 908. By the way, ate, there's an additional rule sa 4 ha. If, for example, ate, 500. If the two numbers ate are 0, automatically, it's divisible by 4. For example, 1,300. Di ba it ended ate with 2 zeros? Automatically, it's divisible by 4.
Oh, because we don't need to write like this because
Di ba if you put 4 in here, 0 divided by 4 is 0. Tapos 0. Tapos 0. 0 divided by 4 is 0. 0. Di ba? So, for example,
so it's already divisible.
this one, 12,100.
It's really hard to erase using the black marker.
Yes, ate. No?
It's easy one using the blue marker. I can
Okay.
erase easily.
Sige. So, last ate, pinaka-last na, 908. Is 908 divisible by 4? Hindi. Try to check ate. Try to check if it is divisible by 4. Start.
But if the number is only, I don't need to 0 because if there is 0
Yes,
and 8,
ate, correct.
it's still 8.
Correct.
But I feel like it will already be divisible if there's only 9, 0, 8.
9. Sige.
8.
520, 513, 7, 9,
have to do 0 times 4.
Mhm. Ano na? Okay na yan. Di ba you don't have any remainder? Since you don't have any remainder, ate, we can say that 908 is divisible by 4. Okay, review tayo ulit. How do we know, ate, if the number is divisible by 2?
If everything is even,
Just like example,
like 2, 4, 6, 8,
and 0.
and 0.
Next, how can we know if the number is divisible by 3?
Like 3, 6,
No, ate. Di ba if there is a number,
3 here and 3, and that's 6.
no, ate, no. Di ba if there is a number, automatically, you are going to add it, di ba? 5 plus 3 plus 2.
Yeah.
Oh, and the result, you are going to check it, ate, if it
And
is
the
divisible by
result
3.
is supposed to be like 6 or 9
Yan, ate.
or
Ulit.
12.
Restate your answer. How can we know if the number is divisible by 3? First, what you are going to do?
Like when I pick a number,
You are going to add it.
add 5 plus 3 plus 2.
Tapos, the result of it, ate, you are going to check it if it is divisible by 3.
3.
Okay, next. How can we know if a number is divisible by 4, ate?
Same like when also we divide it.
No, ate. Di ba? If there is a number, you need to check, ate, the last 2-digit number.
The last 2 digit numbers.
After last 2-digit number, ate, you are going to divide it by 4. If there is a remainder, automatically it's not divisible by 4. If it is,
If there's a remainder,
if the final answer is 0,
0.
it's divisible by 4.
Yeah, but
Next.
why is it not divisible by 4 if there's a remainder?
Kasi, ate, the remainder, ate, will tell you, ate, that the answer is, meron siyang decimal, ate.
Like it's been added?
No, ate, ibig sabihin, your final answer is, meron siyang decimal. Okay?
Decimal?
The remainder, ate, will serve as a decimal.
If there's a remainder,
Ibig sabihin, those remainder, ate, is a decimal, ha? Okay? Sige. Next, ate, aside sa 2-digit number na i-check, what 2-digit number pa ang i-consider natin? The 2 zeros. If the last 2-digit number is 00, it's divisible by 4.
Yeah.
Okay, next. Now, let's proceed, ate, to the divisibility rule of 5, ate. Okay? For the divisibility rule of 5, ang i-check lang natin, ate, is ganito. We are going to check for the ending na 0 and 5. If it ends with 0, it's divisible by 5. If it ends with 5, automatically, it's divisible by 5. Okay, ha, for example, 55. Is 55 divisible by 5, ate? Hindi.
Yes.
Yes, because the ending number is 5. How about this one?
If there's an ending number with 5, it's divisible by
This one.
5.
6,250, is it divisible by 5? Hindi.
Yes.
Yes,
Because
because
there's 0 at the end.
the end. Very good, ate.
But if there's a number like 6, 8,
Mhm.
7, it's not divisible by 5, but only 5 and 0.
Okay. Sige. So for this one, ate, we are going to try this one, ate. This one. State whether the number are divisible by 5. For number 1, ate, is it divisible by 5 or hindi?
20,455?
Is it divisible by 5? Hindi.
Yes. Because
Why?
there's 5 at the end.
Very good. For number 2,
No.
why?
Because at the end it's only 2.
Very good. How about number 3?
No.
Number 4?
Yes.
Very good. Next, which of the following number is divisible by 5?
But I didn't study, but I can still remember it.
Okay. Among the 4 choices, A, B, C, D, which of the following numbers is divisible by 5?
8
A only, ha?
Yeah.
Because B, C, and D, ate, are
are
not,
not divisible by 5.
because
Because
it does not end with 0 and 5.
0 at 5.
Okay, next. For number 2, which of the following number is not divisible by 5?
I don't see any letters.
A, B, C, D. Which of the following number is not divisible by 5? Is not, ha? Not
Oh.
divisible by 5.
I thought on letter C.
What is the answer?
I mean, I thought you were gonna tell me to answer in question 1 with
No,
C.
ate. Number 2, which of the following number is not divisible by 5? Is it A, is it B, C, or D?
C.
C, ate, why?
Because it ends with 7.
Very good. Next, for number 1, ate, can you please try to read?
A stationary store sells watercolor tubes or
Tubes.
tubes in packs of 5. Will there be any individual tubes remaining after packing 310 tubes?
So what's the question? Will there be any individual tubes remaining after packing 310 tubes? Will there be any individual tubes, ate, remaining?
Remainder?
Yes or no?
Yes.
Why is your answer yes? Try to defend it to teacher.
Because it ends with 0.
Will there be any individual tubes remaining? Ibig sabihin, parang yung question, ate, is there a remainder, ate? Walang remainder, ate, because 310 is divisible by
0.
5.
5.
Okay, ate, ha? Because 310 ends with the number na 0.
0.
So, because it ends with 0, ate, automatically it's divisible by 5. Gets, ate?
Yes.
Okay. Sige. Next question. Ate, try to understand the question, ha?
Oh, look at the
Oh, go. Kuha ate.
I'm gonna
Go,
get
go,
a
go.
snack.
You can get ate. Okay. Okay. Sige. For number 2, we are going to read it ate. Okay. Try to understand the question well ha. Okay, number 2.
An order for 1,865 lights has been placed. Can the lights be equally grouped into 5 large cardboard boxes?
Can the lights be equally grouped into 5 large cardboard boxes? What do you think? Can the lights be equally grouped into 5? Yes or no? Why do you say so?
Because 1,855 ends with 5.
Ends with 5. So it can be divisible by 5. Very good ate. Okay, so that ends for the 5. Okay, review muna tayo. How can you know if a number is divisible by 2, Gani?
If we skip count 0, 2, 4, 6, 8.
How can we know if a number is divisible by 3?
Like if there's a number like 508, like 580,
For example, any number ate that was given to you, you are going to add it add it first.
like 5 plus
Mm.
8 plus 2.
After getting the answer ate, you are going to check it
If it's divisible by 3,
3.
like if the answer is 3 or 6 or 9 or 6, 9, 12.
Okay, very good. Next, how can we know if a number is divisible by 4?
If there's an answer of 583, of choose like two numbers like 83.
Tapos
And
after that one,
divide.
divide. If there is a remainder, is it divisible by 4 or not?
No,
If the answer is 0,
it's divisible by 4.
okay, very good. How about if the 2 digits number at the end is 00, is it divisible by 4? Hindi.
0, 0. Now, what did you say again?
What do you think? What if the number ate ends with 2 zeros? Is it divisible by 4? Hindi.
Yes.
Yes, ate. Okay, next. How can we know if the number is divisible by 5?
The answer is 5 and 0 at the end.
Very good. Next. So let's proceed, ate. Okay, go. Get ate.
I see.
Get iced tea. Go, get iced tea.
Are we gonna learn numbers like divisible by 6 later?
Yes, right now na. We are going to
Like
discuss
6,
it.
7, 8, 9.
Mm. Sige. So this one, ate, we are going to use your pen lang ha. Because my pen, ate, it's very hard to erase. Sige. So for this one, for the 6 naman, ate, you need to make sure, ate, that the number is both divisible by 6 and 2. Okay, ha?
6 and 2. What will be that?
Okay. So, what is the rules gani, ate? Both, 2 and 3 pala, ate.
Only two
Ah.
numbers that ends with 2 and 3?
No, ate. No, it's not ends with 2 and 3. The number is divisible by 2 and 3. So, how can we know if the digit ate is divisible by 6? If the number is divisible by 2 and 3.
Divisible by 2
And
and
3. So, for example, ate, 540. First step, ate, you are going to check. 540, is it divisible by 2, ate?
Yeah.
Yes, ate, because the ending, ate, is
0.
even, which is 2. How about sa 3, ate? 5 plus 4.
5 plus 4.
Mm.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh, so this is 9. Is 9 divisible by 3, ate? Hindi.
Yeah.
Yes. So, ibig sabihin, 540 is divisible by 6. Okay, try daw, ate, isolve daw. 540 divided by 6, ate. Can you please try to show it to the teacher? 6.
6, 12, 18, 24, 24, 30, 36, 42, 54. Tama yun? 54?
54, ate.
54.
54. Oh, it's not 8. Kulang. Ulit. Skip count by 6. Ulit.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54.
Yun. Oh, it's 9. It's not 8.
Oh.
So, write 9. Nasulat ka 9. 9 times 6.
50,
54. Oh. 54 minus 54.
0,
0. Bring down 0. 0 divided by 6.
0,
Okay. 0 times 6. 0. Okay? So, it's true, ate, that 540 is divisible by 6. Okay. Next, ate. Sige, how about this number, ate?
laptop. Oh, I thought it's about to turn off.
Mhm. This one. What number is this? 53241.
5, 3,
241. What number is this? How do you read this number?
5,000,
Oops.
53,241.
Very good. 53,241. Next, the question. Is this divisible by 6 ate? Hindi.
Mm. Yes,
Why?
because you can see 3 and 2 here.
No, ate. It doesn't mean na nakita mo si 3 and 2 automatically.
There's a and if it's not 3 and 2, it's not divisible by 6.
No, ate. Even though meron ka nakita na 3 and 2, automatically it's not divisible by 6, ha?
Oh.
Diba, first of all, you need to do the 2 checking. First, you add it, ate. 5 plus 3, how much? 5 plus 3.
6,
5 plus 3.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, plus 2.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Oh, plus 4.
14,
Plus 1.
15.
Oh, 15. Is 15 divisible by 3?
Yes.
Yes. Next, how about this one? 53241. Is it divisible by 2? Hindi.
5,
53241. Is it divisible by 2? Hindi.
No.
No, why?
Because
Because?
0 and 0, 8, 6 are not mentioned.
Saan ang wala na mention? Saan? Saan yung, where's your basis? No, ate, di ba you are going to look, ate, at the end. At the end of the digit, ate. What is the end of the digit? Is it even or odd? Oh, so, it's not divisible by 2. If there, sa 2 condition, ate, if one condition is not fulfilled, or if there is a one condition that is not fulfilled, automatically, madamay ng isa, ha? Both of them are not applicable na.
Oh.
Gets? O, isa pa. Okay. Oh, how about this one? Try daw, ate. 4813. Try to check for the 2, ate. Sige daw. First method, ha, at saka second method. Dapat dalawa. Okay. 4. What's the first method?
There's something.
Okay, sige, dali. Para mahula. What's the first method?
4. 4, 8, 1, 3.
What are you going to do?
4. Ito na lang.
Go.
I'll first see if 4 plus 8 divisible by 3.
4 plus 8.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Next.
13, 16.
Oh, is 16 divisible by 3? Hindi.
Yes.
Sure?
No.
No, ate. So, automatically, 4813 is not divisible by
3.
6. 6, ate. Ha? Because we are talking about 6 man.
Okay.
Okay, how about this one? Excuse me for a while. Okay, 5, 7, 8, 4. 5,784. Is it divisible by 6? Hindi. Let's try to check.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 24.
24. The question. Is it 24 is divisible by 3? Hindi.
Yes.
Next.
So it means it's divisible by 6
Why?
because 24 is divisible by 3.
How about 2? How can you prove that 5,784 is divisible by 2?
It has 4,
It has 4 at the end.
Yeah.
So since it has 4 at the end, automatically this is divisible by
6.
2.
2.
So since it's divisible by 2 and this is divisible by 3, this number is divisible by
6.
6. Okay, gets ate? Gets?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Isa pa. Okay. Next.
Should I draw this in the trash later? Or should I draw this in the trash?
Ha?
This one?
Later. This one. 987.
I would just add this. 9 plus 8 is 17.
Hmm.
17, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
24. Oh, since that is 24,
It's divisible by 3. And 7 is not divisible by 2. So the answer will not be, it's not divisible by 6.
ate, very good.
Did
Yun.
you teach me those or wala
Well,
pa?
gigituro ko na sa'yo bago lang. Oh, ibig sabihin na gets mo na. Oh, ibig sabihin na gets mo na. Isa pa. Okay.
I thought I was smart and I did it by myself.
Oh, this one. Is it divisible by 6? Hindi.
Nine is divisible by 3 and
Mm.
1 not divisible by 2. So it's not divisible by 6. So 1,701 is not divisible by 6.
Correct. Next. This one, ate. I'm sorry. This one. 702.
There's no space
Sige
for
lang.
writing plus.
No need na to write the plus. You can think of it na there is a plus, ate.
9 divisible by 3.
Hmm.
But if the answer is 2, like it's divisible by 2. 2 is divisible by 2.
So what's your conclusion?
So maybe it's divisible by 6.
Anong maybe? You are not sure?
2. What happens if the answers are the same? Like 2 is divisible.
Ate, you didn't understand it pala. First, ate, di ba you have two methods, ate, to use in order for the number to be checked if it is divisible by 6. What is the first step? You add it all. So what will happen? 7 plus 0 plus 2, which is 9. Next, ate, 9 is 9 divisible by 3? Yes. Oh, so the first method is check. Next, for the second method, try to check, ate, if it is divisible by 2. Sino yung i-check mo? Ang end ng ate.
Yeah, the end.
Oh, so the end. What is the end? Is it divisible by 3? Hindi.
Yes.
Yes. So since 9 is divisible by 3 and 3 is divisible by 2, automatically 702 is
Divisible by 6.
because ang 2 method ate is approved. Okay ha or correct? Isa pa. Okay, wait lang. Remove your hand muna. Okay. Oh. 3006.
3. 9 is divisible by 2. 6 is divisible by 2. So 3006 is divisible by 6.
Appear. Ganun. O, ibig sabihin, understand mo na, i-review tayo. How can we know if the number is divisible by 2?
If the answer is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at
Anong
the
answer? At the end, ha?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. At the end, number next. How can we know if the number is divisible by 3?
end. If there's an answer like 865, I will add it like 8 plus 6 plus 5. And I'll first need to check if the answer is divisible by 3 like 9, like 6, 9, 12, 15, 24, 18, like that.
Okay, next. How can we know if the number is divisible by 4?
If there's an answer like, I'll think of an answer like, if the number, if there's an answer like 745, and then I'll divide 45.
By what?
45 divided by 4. And if there's a remainder, it's not divisible by 4. If the answers are like 22,
Tapos if there is no remainder,
it's divisible by 4.
okay, how about, what if the 2 end digit ended with 0?
If 2 ended with 0,
No, if the last 2 digits number ended with 0, is it divisible by 4? Hindi.
yes.
Why?
Wait, I forgot.
Diba? If the 2-digit number at the end is 00, automatically it's divisible by 4.
By 4.
Hmm. Next, how can we know if the number is divisible by 5?
If the answer is, if the end of the answer is 5.
If the end of the number,
Yeah, the end of the number is 5 and 0.
very good. How can we know if the number is divisible by 6?
If there's an answer like, I cannot think of one number, but I'll copy that. Like 1,865,
Hmm.
I will add 1 plus 8. And then if the answer is like, alright, I'll first add 1 plus 8. That's 9. And 9 plus 6, and 9 plus 6 is 9 plus 6 is 15, and 15 plus 5 is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And if there's a, but if the, I'll just think of the number that is divisible by 3. If there's a number divisible by 3, if I add those numbers, and if the answer is divisible by 3, and the end of the number, and the end of the number is divisible by 2, it's divisible by 6.
Very good. Okay, now ate, I will teach you.
But if 1086 865 is not divisible by 6.
Okay, this one. Di ba we already finished? Ay, by the way ha, ate, all of the numbers ate are divisible by 1 ha. Okay ha, for example, is 3 divisible by 1? Yes. Okay ha? Is 55, is it divisible by 1? Hindi.
Yes.
Yes, ate, all of the numbers are divisible by 1.
How about 2?
No, ate. Ay, 2. Is 2 divisible by 1? Yes. Kasi any number man si 2. Okay ha? Next, ate, I will teach you the divisibility rule of 10. So, for the 10, ate, it's very simple lang. If the number, ate, ended with 0, 0 only. If the number, if the end of the number ended with 0, automatically it's divisible by 10. For example,
the answer is like 5,000 or
this one.
or 500.
Is it divisible by 10? Hindi.
Yeah.
Yes, because the end is 0. How about this one?
Yes.
How about this one?
No. Yes.
Okay. So that's for the 10, ate ha?
What if the answer is like 50 or 500?
For example, 500. Oh, is it
Yeah.
divisible by? It's divisible by 10.
But even if the numbers are like tens, it's still divisible.
Yes, ate. It's still divisible by 10. 10 divided by 10 is equals to 1.
1.
Okay ha? Sige. Next, I will teach you about the divisibility rule of 9. For the 9, ate, it's almost the same with 3. Okay? Because the first thing that you are going to do, ate, you are going to add all of the numbers. For example,
But if the number ends
This
with
one.
something,
this one, ate. Dapat you memorize the 9. How you memorize the 9? Sige daw. Skip counting by 9.
9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90.
Okay. Sige. So, the same process sa 3, ate. 5 plus 6. How much?
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Plus 7.
11, 40, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Oh, 18. Is 18 divisible by 9, ate? Hindi.
Yes.
Oh, so ibig sabihin, 567, ate, is divisible by 9. Okay. Next, ate, how about this one? Try to check if it is divisible by... Try to check if it is divisible by 9.
Yeah, it is divisible by 9.
Very good. Next, how about this one? 3, 5, 2, 1, 9, 8, 5. Sige daw, try to check, ate. If that number is divisible by 9. Try to check.
What number is this? Is it like 3, 5, 6, 1, 9, 8, 5?
How do you read that number?
3, I don't know.
This one, no? You put that one. 3?
3, 5, 3, 3,000
Ano ka, ate, last time? Naka-place value ka, wala, di ba? Once,
once? What?
tens. Once,
Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, millions,
10,000,
10,000,
100,
100,000,
1,000, million.
million,
Oh, so how do you read this number? 3 million,
3 million,
500,
500,000,
21.
21,
521,000,
521,000,
985.
My teacher did not teach me
The
these
place value?
numbers yet.
Oh, sige lang.
But they teach me the place values.
Sige.
Like
Oh.
like I only know like ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands.
Sige.
Thousands only.
Try to find out daw, ate, if this number is divisible by 9. Sige daw. Find out.
3 plus.
Try to check, ate. If it is divisible. Yes po, ma'am. Opo, for you daw. Yes, ma'am. I-send ko sa'yo, ma'am. Yes po. Bali, meron na akong i-send na ano, ma'am, yung parang PDF file siya. Makita mo doon yung time at saka yung date, ma'am.
12,
I-send ko lang siya later.
14, 15,
Sige.
16, 17, 18,
Sige. 20.
I'm doing this, parang different.
Different what? Different approach?
I like this, and then I don't have to like write plus here without writing those. So I will not forget. 20 plus 8.
20 plus 8. How much?
28 plus 8, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33.
33. Is 33 divisible by 9 at hindi?
No. Because when I skip count by 9, it's already skipped by the other numbers. Like
Okay.
9,
Oh, pinaka-last.
27, 36. It's already they skip 33. What time is it? Is it 4:28?
Yeah, for 20 na. Last 2 minutes na lang. 13, wait lang. 26,
I'm gonna get it. It's not.
And this one. Is it divisible by 9? Try to check, ate.
But I can't open this.
Okay naman.
Thank you.
Sige, last na yan. Dali lang. Yung 5 plus 8.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Correct. Next.
If
13.
there are lots of numbers, I do like this.
Oh.
13.
Oh, bakit 8? 7 man.
Oh.
Okay na. Sige.
13, 13, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 26. Yes. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. I think I don't have to practice addition because I already know how to skip that, but I just have to practice subtraction without using fingers. 31, 31 plus 5.
31 plus
Sorry
5.
about this 5 at the end. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So the answer is 36.
36. Is 36 divisible by 9?
Okay,
Hindi.
how to do this? Parang if I answer, I can erase something and answer at the same time.
Is 36 divisible by 9? Hindi. Skip talk by 9.
Yes.
It's divisible by 9. So that's it, ate ha.
Okay.
So ang ulang na lang natin na wala na discuss is si 7 and si 8.
Okay. I'll check your phone.